Hi guys, this is Rahul and we'll begin the analysis for Nifty and a few stocks as you guys requested on the comments. Okay, so first of all, I hope you all have a great weekend. Now looking at the chart, it seems like we have started a pullback, not a major one, but this seemed like we would be testing the support or at least the levels from which the market started to bounce up. All right, so we will use the Fibonacci to actually understand what are these levels. And before doing that, I would also like to mark out the previous pullback level that we're expecting just on the basis of price action. Okay, this is a strong support now. As you can see earlier, it was also tested. Has been tested multiple number of times, so this is where the pullback is expected. Okay, now let's use Fibonacci to understand our goals, targets, support, pullback prices, all of that. Okay, as you can see, the target is met. We have hit the target of 11,529. Now we are looking for a pullback. This is the first level. And followed by that is 11,204. Okay, and then we have 11,070. Before that, we have the previous structure at 11,121. So anywhere between 11,200 to 11,070, this is the range. Okay, this is where we are expecting the pullback to happen. Obviously, not in a single day, but in a couple of days, maybe in a month's time. So I'm not that bullish, but the amount of pullback will decide the next move. If Nifty does a pullback just 23% and then starts to bounce up, then if it reverses from here, we're going to see one more big move. Okay, that move should ideally be around the same length. Okay, that's if we don't see much of a pullback. But if we do see a major pullback till 50%, so this is the move that we're expecting if we see a small pullback. However, if we see a deeper pullback till about 50% or more, then the move might also be slow. Okay, so a lot depends on this week how market reacts. Overall, those who are buying, it's obviously time to book your positions. And for people who are going short, the level is, you have a recent level 11,337, so you have to be careful. If it breaks that, then you can target 11,204. Ideal price to buy Nifty futures lots would be around 11,120. Okay, which will take some time. Now let's go and check a few stocks which have been requested by some of the students. Punjab National Bank, firstly. Okay, so Punjab National Bank, as you can see, this area here is a good resistance, and price has reached this resistance and given us a dark cloud cover, indicating now we're going for a pullback. But anyways, what you're going to see now will be a pullback because we have the swing high entry, low, higher low, breakout, and now we are just expecting a correction. So 38% correction would be a good entry for those who are looking to buy. And that also matches our previous support. The structure is high. Okay, so we can expect to enter Punjab National Bank around 85. Currently, stop loss would be maintained at this low of 68. But after market comes here, we'll see. And as it breaks a high, the stop loss would get trailed. Okay, this is what we are expecting in terms of the entry and the stop loss. I would also like to see if we have any nearby targets. Okay, so 98 is the next target. it seemed like the wave is complete now. So entry price would be previous structures high 85. I would also see the inversion to see the next target. So in terms of inversion, we are looking at a target of 103 in the nearby coming days. And as you can see, this is also the previous high in this sideways zone. Okay, so that's analysis of Punjab National Bank. Now let's see Tata Steel. Okay, double top is being respected. Price looks like it is starting to come down now. So those who are buying, time to exit. People who are short can expect the next leg. So you could expect an inversion again of 127%. So I'm expecting 417 to be the next low in Tata Steel. State Bank of India. Weekly candle, the way it's closed is a spinning top at the previous resistance. So we don't have a breakout yet. Again, we haven't done a breakout. The triangle that we had drawn, market is still playing within the triangle. Okay, no breakouts. We need a high to break. We need this high to break before we get a confirmation. Again, you can see price looking like going for the lower support. Okay, so if you have to buy, it is best to wait for the price to come around 270 levels before you decide to buy. And those are holding can exit for the short term move because it is now in between the symmetrical triangle. Alright, so that's all for now. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and also please share your views on terms of other stocks, and if you would like us to analyze any other stocks, please mention them in the comments. That's all for now. See you guys tomorrow after the market closes. Bye bye.